Back बच्चों, today we will study miscellaneous questions of GK from your page number 57, 64 and 70. Let's start. Domain names. Before starting the domain name, it's very important that you should know what is domain, right? A domain is the address where internet user can access your website. All right, what is domain? Domain is the name, address where internet users, right, we are also internet users, we are also using internet, they can easily access your website is known as domain names. All right, as you can see, it's already written here. Domain names are used to identify one or more IP address in the networks like the internet. These domain names are used in the URLs to identify certain website. Every domain name has a suffix. I had already told you in the morning time that what is suffix and what is prefix. Suffix is added after the word. All right, that indicates which domain it belongs to. All right, if after any word .com is written there, right, for example, for any word, if after any word .com is written there, it means that it is an example of commercial. All right, is it clear to all of you? .com means it is an commercial example. Okay, so let's begin here. Business. Business, so what suffix you will find there? You will find there .biz. Educational, you will get there .edu. Governmental .gov. Information .info. Network .net or .net. Organization .org. Military .mil. United States of America .us. United Kingdom .uk. All right, I think it's clear to all of you what is domain, right? It is an identification, right, so that you can easily access from which it is belong. Okay, the next is India. So which domain you will find there? .in. Thailand .th. Cooperative .coop. .coop. Air transport industry .aero. Asia Pacific region .asia. Professions .pro. International organization .int. Mobile devices .mobi. Internet communication services .tel. And then companies, it is .jobs. Did you know IP stands for Internet Protocol? What is IP? IP means Internet Protocol. And what is URL? URL stands for Universal Resource Locator, right? Universal Resource Locator. You all can see here www.symbolics.com. .com means, as I had already told you in the previous slide, .com means it's a, you all can see here, wait, I'm just moving to the next slide so it will be easy to show you. Yet .com means it's a commercial, right? So what is written here? You all can see here .com means it's a commercial. All right, what's the first commercial domain name? What is the first commercial domain name? If anyone asks you, then you all have to reply that www.symbolics.com. As you know that .com suffix is added there, means it is an commercial suffix. All right, commercial domain. And what was the first commercial domain? www.symbolics.com. all right, and it was registered. When it was registered? It was registered on 15th March 1985. All right, yes, now come to here social media. Social, so, and dia, so dia. What is written here? So dia. So let's begin this chapter also, chapter 40. It is a setup to discuss some issue concerning people. It may be online, televised, physical, etc. It consists of people who discuss their points of views in order to come to a conclusion on what reality is the situation to the problem at hand. It is often preceded by the word discussion. What is it? It is or in simple words, you can say that a place or meeting where people exchange their thoughts and ideas, all right, and they just discuss their thoughts and ideas online, all right. It's a forum. And the second one is, it is an image or username that represents a person online, most often within forums and social networks. I think that you all had got what is the meaning of forum. Forum means a place where people exchanging their thoughts and ideas, known as forum. A meeting place where people can exchange their ideas, known as forum, all right. Forum and social networks. So what is the correct answer? Avatar, all right. Avatar is an image or username that represents a person online, most often within forums and social networks. Question number 3. This word was created from two words, web plus log. They are visually maintained by an individual or business with a regular entries of a content on a specific topic, descriptions of events or other resources such as graphics or video. What is this? Blog. All right. In simple word, you can say that a blog is a website where a person, right, what is it? It is a website where a person regularly write about topics, descriptions of events, and whatever his interest. Is it clear? The next one is question 4. It is represented by the small star icon on Twitter or other social networking sites. Favoriting a tweet or comment signals to the creator that you like their content or post. That is favorite. All right. Favorite is represented by a small star icon. Whenever you are, whenever you are sending any messages to the WhatsApp group, there is a sign that is known as star, and when you select it and just click to the star, it means that it is now your favorite icon. All right. The next is question number 5. In a social media, it refers to a person who subscribes to someone else's account in order to receive his updates as comment, messages, or posts. That is known as follower. All right. Whenever you all had seen on your Insta page, on your Facebook page, many are following you, and as soon as you all had subscribed to you, they are able to see your messages, they are able to see your post, they are able to see your comments. All right. The next is question number 6. It is the process of adding geographical identification to a piece of content online. For example, Instagram. Instagram users often use this to highlight the location in which their photo was taken. It is geotag. All right. Geotag is a process of adding geographical identification to a piece of content online. Okay. The next is question number 7. It is a type of label used on social network to make it easier for users to find messages with a specific theme or content. This is a word or phrase preceded by cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. What is this? It is a hashtag. What is this? This one is hashtag. All right. It's a label, or you can say that is used on social network to make it easier. That's why we are doing this. Question number 8. It is used to describe a thought, idea, joke, or concept that is widely shared online. It is typically an image with the text above and below it, but can also come in video and link form. It is copied and spread rapidly by internet. users often with slight variation. It is known as meme. The next is question number 9. The word is stand for a person who spends a lot of time on the internet. These are also commonly referred as cyber citizens. Why they are called cyber citizens? Because they are spending a lot of time on internet. This word is created from two words, internet and citizen, that is known as netizen. All right, why we call them, why do we call them netizen? We call them netizen because they are addicted to the net. That's why they are netizen. The next one is, it is a virtual computer world. It is a large computer network made up of many worldwide computer networks. It is cyberspace. All right, cyberspace is a virtual computer world. It is a large computer network made up of many worldwide computer networks. Question number 11. It is an online seminar or presentation that is hosted by an individual or a company. It is also known as the web conferencing. It is a webinar, right? And I think you all had also attended many webinar by your teachers where it is hosted by an individual or it is hosted by many of the person, and they were giving their reviews, ideas, they were sharing their thoughts and also listening yours. Yes, now chapter number 44, world records. Okay, so let's begin. Oldest professional club DJ. Leading a sort of double life, Sumiko Iwamura, aka DJ Sumirok, who holds the Guinness World Records title for the oldest professional club DJ at 83 years and 118 days as of May 2018. All right, and the next one is largest school, number of pupils. You won't believe the number of pupils. The largest school in term of pupils is the City Montessori School in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, which had 55,547 pupils as of 16th January 2019 across 18 campuses in the city. All right, so how many students enrolled in City Montessori School? 55,547 pupils enrolled. Okay, moving to the next, largest collection of model cars. The largest collection of model cars is 37,777 is unique items achieved by Nabil Karam, Lebanon, and verified in Zok, Lebanon on 9 June 2016. He has also set a record on 8th November 2018 for the largest collection of stamps featuring automobiles. The next one is oldest desert. The Namib deserts span 2000 kilometers, and it is the oldest desert which has been arid or semi-arid for at least 80 million years. Wow. The next is largest comic book published. You all can see it's really very large. The largest comic book published measures 7 feet square, 73.2 inches, and is called Turma da Monica, created by Mauricio de Sousa Produções and published by Panini Brazil, both Brazil, verified in Sao Paulo, Brazil on 5th August 2018. The full color 18-page work ISBN 978-85-426-12677 was printed in a run of 120 copies, and it was 2 feet 3.51 in wide and 3 feet 3.29 in high, with a height of 1.92 kg. All right, what is the height of that comic book? That is 1.92 kg. And the next is longest glass bottomed bridge. This one you can see in the picture. The longest glass bottomed bridge is the 1,601 feet Red Cliff Valley Glass Suspension Bridge opened in 2017 at the Hongyagu Scenic Area in Hebei Province, China. It has a deliberate swaying motion to add an extra fear factor to the 702 feet drop. Oh my god. Made from 1077 panels of 1.5 inner glass and supported by cables that weigh over 120 tons. The bridge is designed to take the weight of 2000 people, although no more than 600 tourists are allowed to cross at any one time. Okay, so the next one is longest bridge tunnel. These names are recorded in the Guinness book, right? And they all are having the world record. The next is longest bridge tunnel. The Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge is made up of nearly 35-kilometer bridge and road section and a 6.7 kilometer tunnel, and has been dubbed the longest bridge cum tunnel sea crossing in the world. 6.7 kilometer tunnel, right? The next one is largest collection of Dragon Ball memorabilia. The largest collection of Dragon Ball memorabilia consists of 10,098 items and was achieved by Hitoshi Uchida, Japan, in Kita, Tokyo, Japan on 18 June 2019. Hitoshi Uchida has been collecting Dragon Ball memorabilia goods and has two dedicated collection rooms. So student, thank you for watching. If you all have any query, you can ask me.